Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Laura and I'm in the middle of renovating my semi-detached property in Greater Manchester. So today I will be showing you a bedroom transformation, which is basically my old bathroom which has been turned into a new bedroom. So I've now made this a 3-bedroomed house from being a 2-bedroomed by relocating the original bathroom. This is what the bathroom looked like shortly after moving in. So I did do a little bit of decorating in here which I didn't actually document anywhere, so I don't have any photos of that. I'd previously done the plumbing for the new bathroom and that was run under the floorboards. Everything had been stripped out previously, which I didn't actually document for some reason. Got us up to the point here where I continue stripping everything out of the bathroom to turn it into a bedroom. So all of the wallpaper needed stripping off in here, and the window had been built out and had architrave around it, so I took this off. You'll probably be able to see that the window's a little bit wonky, so I needed to build out a frame for the plasterboard to go into the windows. I cut out the old soil pipe and fixed some of the plumbing. Basically there was still some pipe work that needed adjusting in here from where the shower and the toilet was taken out. So once that was all done, it was then a case of getting the plasterer in. So the electrics had been done in here as well. I got an electrician in and a plasterer, but the rest of the work was completed by myself. So it was a case of needing to patch up some of the floor and get it ready for the plasterer. This morning I have been building out the door frame. That was the depth of the dot and dab, so I've used strip wood door stops like these ones to fill in around the frame. I left some screws in there for me from the original plugs for the radiator, so I don't have to bother measuring that out again, which is really good. And then I can get on with doing the mist coat in here. So I have been using a bare plaster paint rather than watering down standard emulsion, which has gone on brilliantly. I can't fault it at all. It gives a really nice thick coat, which you can either just paint standard white or go in with a colour. So after seeing it white, I just thought it looked a bit too bright, so I decided to use some leftover paint that I had from downstairs, which is Dulux Pebble Show, which weirdly enough, being darker, actually made the room feel a lot bigger. So I wanted to do a feature wall in wallpaper, and this was a sample I was actually considering for downstairs. It's Grand Deco and it's May Blue. Picked this up from the range and I think it was only £12 a roll. It was paste the wall and it went up really easily, and I just love the pattern on it. It just means you don't have to put up as much sort of like deco stuff when you've got a feature wallpaper like this, and I do really love it and I like how that it's looking at the moment. So the carpet was fitted earlier on this afternoon. You can't see it because of the lights, but here it is how it is looking now. I've moved a few bits of furniture in here just to get a little bit of a head start. These are just temporary in here. I will be just moving into this bedroom so that I can do the master bedroom. So these have come out of the other spare bedroom. That's come out of my bedroom. I think I might just get some nice handles for on here, but they'll be staying as they are. So there's not tons of room in here, but it is temporary just for me, and then it's perfect just for a spare bedroom. So really pleased with how it's looking. I probably would have preferred a slightly different colour carpet, but I did pay for this at the same time as doing the other bedroom, so it's the same one that's in there. So the plan is now for me to paint the bed. Being around for a while, you'll remember that I bought this when I was living in the house of my mum's that I was doing up. I used to have a really nice bed, and this one was just a cheap one that I got from Argos. So it was just pine, and I'd painted it to match the room that I was in at the time. So the plan is that I'm going to paint all of this in a navy blue. The idea is going to be that I'm just going to paint the frame, and then what I'm thinking that I might do, just to jazz this up a little bit, is get some foam for the back of the headboard and cover it in fabric. So I hadn't actually wanted to buy too many new accessories for this room, but when I put in some of the bedding that I already had, it just wasn't really the right colour, and I think that it was the pebble show that kind of knocked it off. Had I have gone for the white walls, a lot more would have matched. So I ended up taking a trip to B&M and Dunelm to pick up some accessories. I'll show you what I've got. This waffle duvet cover set. It seemed as though white would be the best option, and just a pack of pillowcases, and also this pom-pom throw, which was only £8. It's nice and soft. We'll see how that looks. I'm actually going to be waiting a while for the blinds to turn up, so wanted to pick up some curtains, so quite expensive, but I was really struggling to find any that I liked, and they were all pretty dear in there, so thought these will come in the future at some point. So these are the eyelet curtains in ink, and it's a velour fabric. And then, not sure on this cushion cover, there wasn't an amazing selection, so I've just picked one up for now. We'll see how it looks. If it doesn't look right, I will take it back. And also, mind out Jasper, a curtain pole, which extends from 120 to 2 meters 10. Now I'm going to start putting all of the room together and seeing how it looks. So I am really happy with how this has turned out. It just feels so nice to be in here. It is a very small bedroom, but it's just temporary for me to stay in until I do the master bedroom, and then this will just be another spare bedroom. But it's just really nice to have another room completed. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications if you want to see more of the renovation. Next up, I will be doing the landing and the hallway, and also some work out in the garden. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.